Hey, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I am back with a list of nighttime opportunities that you can do from home. Now, these opportunities are different. I'm going to talk about the different occupations and the different companies, and you have a lot of choice because I'm always adding to this list of nighttime opportunities to just make it easily available for those who are looking for nighttime work. But in general, a lot of times I hear people are looking for nighttime work because they already work a traditional job and they want to supplement their income, or you might already work online and you just want something you can do at night to continue working, and it's just the perfect time because it's a little bit quieter. You've already had family time and dinner and all that good stuff, and you might stay up pretty late and you want to get paid while you're up. So there's so many different reasons, but there are also a lot of different opportunities that may fit your nighttime work from home needs. So before I get into that info, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you tap the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest work from home opportunities. I post weekly work from home hot leads for companies that are hiring, as well as work from home info that I know you will love. All right, let's go ahead and jump in.
All right, let's go ahead and jump on in. I am at my website, remoteworklife.co, and I am looking at the night jobs. If you're finding this from the links at top, you would just hover over work from home jobs, and then you would click on night jobs. Now, there are a lot of different opportunities that you can do at night, and they vary. Now, this list I am always adding to, so there are plenty of opportunities right now, but there are going to be even more opportunities in the future as I locate more opportunities that you can do at night. And they are categorized by the type of opportunity. So if you are looking into customer service, then you would just want to look at the top. There's plenty of companies that will hire you to work at night. One of the companies that I want to mention is U-Haul. They're always hiring for moonlighters, and this opportunity can go late into the night, which is awesome for those who are looking for something pretty late, like what would be considered the graveyard shift. And then the gig freelance opportunities, they're here as well. You can work on Fiverr at night. You could work on Clickworker at night. Amazon Mechanical Turk is where you can do different tasks, and you can do that at night as well. You can transcribe. Now, there's plenty more transcription companies, but these are just my top 4 picks. Nothing is wrong with the other transcription companies, but these definitely will have nighttime opportunities. So these are the ones that I know for sure will always have work for you at night. If you're interested in being a virtual assistant, then you can work with Fancy Hands, and they have opportunities that you can do 24 hours a day on the Fancy Hands platform. So these are some different opportunities that you can do at night from the comfort of your own home, and these opportunities vary from whether you have to actually apply or if you can just sign up and start working. But there's some opportunities here that you can get started with. And then again, I'm going to add to this as I find more companies that will allow you to work at night.
All right, there you have it. Those are the nighttime work from home opportunities. And again, I'm going to put the link in the description box below so that you can go directly to that list. And you'll also want to bookmark it because I update this list as well as all the other lists on my website as I find the information. And there's already a lot of different companies and opportunities that you can do. Some require you to be hired, some you can just start doing as soon as you sign up. So there's a lot of different options that can fit your nighttime work from home needs, and you'll just want to research the companies and check out those opportunities to see what is the best fit for you. So hopefully this was helpful. Make sure you share this on your social media. These opportunities are very helpful for others, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.
Hey, if you're still looking for work from home opportunities, then definitely head over to my website, remoteworklife.co. I've got all of the work from home jobs on my website. I have a mega list of jobs that has over 270 companies that hire remotely listed. You can search by the type of opportunity you're looking for, or you can use the preset search tabs and it'll go ahead and do the searching for you. You can also look at who's hiring currently. I have a now hiring section. I also have a work from home shop where you can pick up all of your office needs. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can go over to this drop down list, and I'm always adding specific list of jobs that you may be looking for. So there's no experience jobs, no phone jobs, night jobs, high paying jobs, all sorts of jobs. So head over to remoteworklife.co for all of your work from home needs. Talk soon.